Side effects of COVID-19 vaccine that you should be aware of. The novel coronavirus has not been easy on anyone. It has taken the whole world by surprise, children and adults alike. After months of using different permutations and combinations to give the best treatment to the affected population, most countries have come out with vaccines. All thanks to medical technology's genius minds. Although the intervention of these vaccines is nothing short of miraculous, our bodies might have to go through some trials after getting vaccinated. Let us tell you all about these vaccine side effects because being aware is one of the most important things during these challenging times. COVID-19 vaccines insight. Even if the vaccines come with a few potential side effects, it is crucial that every person gets it in due time to win the battle against coronavirus. We would also gladly bring to your notice that every person needs not one but two shots of the vaccine. Depending on the type of vaccine, the gap between the first and the second shot is decided. Experiencing any side effects after getting vaccinated indicates that your immunity system is switching on its defense system. It is also imperative to remember that if you are not experiencing any symptoms after your vaccine shot, there is nothing to be confused about, because that is possible and completely normal. Side effects experienced after vaccination. The reported side effects of vaccination are nausea, headache, fever, chills, and muscle and joint pain. The vaccinated person may also experience redness, swelling, and pain at the site where the shot is given, which is usually the arm. The symptoms and side effects experienced by a person during the first shot are milder than those experienced during the second. Some people are not able to carry forward their routine till they recover from all the symptoms of vaccination. The side effects that are shown by the body after both the shots typically go away after a day or two. Pre-vaccine and post-vaccine tips. After getting vaccinated, to resolve the pain issues, it is recommended to consult a health professional. Over-the-counter medicines like aspirin, Brufen, antihistamine, acetaminophen, and other painkillers should be avoided before a doctor tells you that it is okay to take them. Likewise, please do not take medications before the vaccination with the aim to counter the side effects before they start showing. When should you be concerned? If, after vaccination, you experience any signs and symptoms that are atypical and are not going away after the usual time limit of 48 hours, then it is recommended that you give your doctor a call. Some people can experience prolonged redness or tenderness on the site of the shot. Life after vaccination. Protection from coronavirus. It is very important to remember that, like any vaccine, the vaccines used to provide our body immunity from the coronavirus take some amount of time. The body is not entirely immune to the virus after the first shot, which mandates you to adhere strictly to the basic prevention guidelines of the coronavirus. That are avoiding crowded places, wearing a mask at all times when you step outside, frequently washing your hands and clothes, and avoid touching surfaces in public areas. Even after the second shot, it is recommended that you keep following these guidelines for your own safety. The vaccine takes about a week to provide the full immunity level. Comparison with other vaccines. Many vaccines trigger inflammation in the body and give rise to the standard side effects. The side effects experienced by people after COVID-19 vaccines are similar to those produced by the shingles vaccine. The reason why corona vaccines are prone to causing side effects in your body is that it is a reactogenic vaccine. Is there any age group that can be at a higher risk of more pronounced side effects? There have been talks of older adults being more affected by the side effects of the COVID-19 vaccine than young adults. But there is no scientifically proven truth to this. In fact, in the vaccine trials, older adults, that is, age 55 and above, experienced less severe and frequent side effects as compared to their fellow age groups. The trials of vaccine side effects on children younger than 12 years of age have not been started, so there are no confirmed facts about it. Who all are considered fully vaccinated? If the vaccine you have taken is a 2-dose series, then you will be considered fully vaccinated 2 weeks after your final dosage. If the vaccine you took is a one-dose series, then 2 weeks after it is the right amount of time to consider yourself fully vaccinated. Do's and don'ts of life after vaccination. A fully vaccinated person can attend functions and gatherings with unvaccinated people or with known medical history without getting anxious about contracting the virus. A vaccinated person can travel without wearing a mask. However, it is recommended to keep maintaining the social distancing and sanitization norms. For your and the community's best interests, it is advisable to maintain a distance from those who have severe illness due to the coronavirus and huge gatherings with unknown people. It is also advisable to avoid places with limited ventilation filled with numerous people with an unknown history of COVID-19 cases. What is still not known about vaccines? The vaccines are known to provide immunity from the pandemic causing coronavirus. However, the developed vaccines are still not proven to provide unfailing protection from the strains or mutation of the virus. The duration of time for which a vaccine can prevent a person from contacting the coronavirus is still unknown. How well vaccination helps people from spreading the disease is still under research. But scientists are getting more informed as every passing day, more people are getting vaccinated. The shortfalls of the vaccine are highly insignificant in front of the damage caused by the coronavirus, which makes it nothing but an elixir. Till you ensure your complete safety, you are automatically ensuring other people's safety too. We hope we made the required contribution towards making you aware of all the details and side effects of COVID-19 vaccination. That's all from us today. We want you to know that your voice is important to us. So please leave a comment below. If you are new here, then click the bell icon for notifications of our new videos and subscribe to our channel.